Deputy Chief Minister Badai Pej Yakatana District Council Affairs DCA Bak Preston Tensong Hakan Rio Terik Leber Ula Pentip Balathaw Yaka Committee Ban Kmi Biang Yaka Meghalaya Building Bylaws Uba Preston Ulaong Kani Kalawan Long Hadin Ka Jingalang Bat Kilai Tili Council Banyakran Yakani Ka Kamte Ying Taisam Ulaong Baka Sorkar Haus Nam Arjar Khat Kandai Kaladap Penbena Baka Meghalaya Urban Development Authority Muda Bat Kilai Ki Council Kidei Ki Bor Ban Pej Yaka Jing Pentrekam Yaka Building Bylaws Hajalla Ulayathu Baki Council Ken Pej Yaka Kam Teying Taisam Shabar Kajaka Municipal Bat Katanat Penroy Sorpat Kan Pej Hasor Kentup Yaki Karkhana Hotel Bat Kishlem Trekam Bahe Habaya keren yakani kaman lalap baki dan katu kat niki benta bahab ban kemi biang yakani kaan hadin baki district councils ki kwa ban pentrekam yaka building bylaws habaro ki jaka 6th schedule laha sor ninong kendong
ka isu ka banengkong ka bingkren ka long siapang kecing pentrekam yaka building bylaws ka ba how arjar ka kendai nang ta ni dam I susu sakatukan nanti additional notification haru arajar arpoi hakaba ni IT ya kaban pen implement ya kaneka building bylaws kan number 1 ka lemba kemuda ba kan number 2 lemba jong kidis council de hakabe dei ban pen trekam ya kini ki building bylaws hapok ka municipal nang ta haki government offices ki building lane haki hospitals lane haki hotels bah ya kane la shania ha ka muda bahkan le ya kemudian kamban isu ya kini ki building permission but kumta ter but the rest nang ta but shabar jongka ne ka municipal area pada ya kane ngila IT hapoka this council laki jong bakin le ya kemudian kam tenang ta ha ka jing kren ne ka lomba kami ru ka jing kren na kaliang ki this council ka jingkwa jogi kolomba balai ba ya kane ka building bylaws ngim implement pan kam ru syakinong kendong jongi namar ba khamtam kane ka melai ngilatip ha ba kadai ka zone ka ba long prone ya ka earthquake ke kia ajimut pela dalong ka bala bangin extend susu ya ka implementation ya na area of operation syadu ki snong ki taw hakinong kendong jongi ba per kenang bangin la ban regulate ya kor komsna ya from tei ki jing tei ki jong kai yin ka sem ko jingi ban nom kta le ne bakan nom don kono no ka risk le ka jing jia ka bas ko si ang ne tai de kita ki de ki issue bat haka ba kadu ngila ya keren ban ngila rai ban taw ka wi ka committee haka ba ya kan ka committee and head the secretary jong ka urban affairs department but ki members kin long na po likely ki this council again ki department ki ba per kat kum kaching.com haka ba ya kan ka notification ka submission but ka benta ka ba ar kolong ka bingi kren benta ka sgi kolong syapang ka jing registration ka registration ya ki jaka ki puta ya kan ni ru ngidang ya kren haka ba adin ki jingren bun ke na ki this council kala ajimut te ngila thau piang sa ka away pat ka committee haka ba an head da u secretary jong ka this council affairs department uba seril ding do but rengkat ru again but ki this council kumju ru na ki department ma per ka law department na kalian ka revenue department na kalian ka IRTS department hak win judon mentang ta ban pek ban steady ba ya ka Indian Registration Act ya ka ba ni implement hapo ka jela ka jemi kita kidegi isu ke mi keren matakas ni
implementation of building bylaws is concerned with regards to jurisdiction of HDC. We have full set up, full team of technical professionals like engineers, architects, and all officers. Yeah. We are ready, and even we are ready if the government under leadership of Sir Preston Tensong, Deputy Chief Minister in charge DCA, when the government will decide that implementation of building bylaws for the betterment and smooth functioning as per regulation for building bylaws implementation beyond master plan area, then we are very happy to accept this, and because we are very concerned of illegal construction happening now, and you have seen that no one follows the rules regulation in terms of building of houses or any buildings, and especially we are very much concerned with regards to the beauty and landscaping that we have in Meghalaya, especially the water bodies. So we don't want these water bodies, which are very fresh and very healthy, and we don't want to destroy them. So this implementation of building bylaws beyond master plan area is indeed need need of the hour, like for us. MCM ngiru ngilakdan menta baniki ba kamdei kamuda kaban implement ni ka building bylaws hapok sor bat kapsor ha ka master plan area. But kajing yakhi jompai ba hang tu kadai be na kajing he plat kador ban hapsiu ka building permission, ka building cess, ka labor cess ba kiwe te ngi ipat ba katu jing yakhi kampoi sha te data ondalawan ke ni ka sarkar MDA mamenta how arja khatra ha ka bakut jong snem kila notify po ba ilong minister iba Hamlet Darling la notify no la di notify no ya ka building bylaws jong kamuda jong arja khatsan but la re notify no ba ka KHDC kan long ka way ka implementing agency habede ba ka implementation ya ka building bylaws te habede ba kata nakal yang jungi kamdan ka jing sio ka bahe katu kat ni hot ngam klemra menta ki slap kat no bade sio Henry Kla Epher bunsha nakaba ka sarkar ka barim menchua ha arja khatsan ka pha sio ki pai ba te kani ka long ka ek ka ba jing mentoi pai ba ha ka we ka liang ka jing sio ka ba arpat bakin yo ek yeng ki bas kem ban like na ka jing mensau khamtam bakani ka jaka kumla yo semua mentat ba grand e DCM ba ka de ka prune area nam tau jumai lese kum kita bengikwa ben warra ke safety nakam taki nong shno kamdan kum kata ban counter sign hoi katu kat ni benai menshua san riu benai ka kadon ka complain baki don kum ba prapun riu tuli ki application ki ba sakut ki ba sateng nomor ba slamban I permission ki ten reya kini mentaru kum ba khandai pun sispa la de clear ba sa stang katu kat ni ki ba le singi hab ban review ya ka application nomor ba kam ya hab kat kum ka kanika bylaws ka bangidon